Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the videos. I have some exciting news for you today. Of course, number one, the Focus is back. Look at that. And she looks absolutely fantastic. It's a little wet because it's been raining off and on. So let me just show you. Super nice, very smooth. It was well done. I'm super happy with how the work came out. So a couple of things I wanted to talk about today, and I'm sorry, one of those things, I'm sorry I haven't been making videos so often as I used to. I've been wanting to get out and like make a couple, but every single time this happens and it just rains and it dumps every day after I get home from work until about, until it's dark. So I normally don't get a chance to make a video. So today I was gonna go out, raining or not, and make a video for you guys. Number one, of course, was the Focus is back. Super happy about it. Now I can finally get back onto the modifications, and I think the last time it was back, it was like, or not back, but the last time we were working on it was maybe like, I want to say May, or April. But I'm super happy to be able to be back and reunited with this car, because now it's gonna get real. We are gonna start doing some modifications to the car that I've been waiting to do, and I have one that you'll be seeing in a second. It has to do with this right there. I will get more in depth into that as to why I have one. I didn't ever really think I'd have one in my car, but I'll explain why I have one in the next video that's to come out in a couple of days. And it has to do with the Focus ST tunes that you guys have been waiting for. And I also have something very special that has to do with those tunes that is going to be for you guys to go on top of having a tune from us. And I got to show you one thing that I actually didn't think I would like, but I actually think it's kind of cool, and I don't think I would use it yet because I need a new clutch, but check this out. I don't know if I'm ever going to use that, but come on, isn't that awesome? Like, that's just the coolest thing. I don't care if it's race, it's fun. So, also don't roast me on this, okay? I know I don't have tips on there right now. I broke my clamps. I don't want to look like a dumbass with one clamp on with the one tip and the other tip off because I broke it. So just next video, that'll be fixed. I just need to go pick up a clamp. I know what size I need. One other thing I need to mention is saving for mods is really hard. So obviously, I have a job, and it's super tough to like have a bunch of bills to pay and then also save money and like also buy car parts, which I guess that makes sense. But basically what I'm saying is I know exactly where I want to go with this car, and I know exactly what I want to do, and I want to do it as soon as possible. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not going to be buying something for the car like every single week. It's going to take me a little bit of time to save up for those mods. So if you'd bear with me and stick around. By the way, if you've made it this far into the video, please consider subscribing, because that really helps small channels like me out. But I know exactly what I want to do with the car. It's seriously time to start making this thing look a little less stock, because I've had the thing since last year, and it looks great, granted, but it looks almost the same, except for that. So we need to fix that. Expect modifications starting to come within the next few months. I would really like to get a set of wheels and tires, and that's expensive. I know exactly what wheels I want, and I know exactly what I want this car to look like, but it costs a lot of money. At least to me, right now, it costs a lot of money. So I also really want to hear what you guys think would be cool. I really want to do tint. So besides the wheels, I really want to do tint, because this car looks like a fishbowl and it needs tint. I think it would be a lot of fun to actually wrap the car myself. I have talked about that in the past. Get out of here. Fucking mosquito. I am going to do that. Nate and I really want to, and we think it'd be a fun learning experience for both of us. So I definitely think we're gonna do that. I sort of have some ideas for colors, but if you guys want to throw your suggestions for colors and stuff, what you think would look cool, throw them down in the comments, because I definitely want to hear you guys' opinions on all of that. Basically, I just wanted to give you guys a little update to show you what's going on with the car, because obviously it's back and it looks better than ever. So I came out here to take a few pictures, so before this really nice sunset, you know, gets out of here, I'm also gonna take some photos. Oh, also, I started a media account purely for my car photos. I'm trying to separate my personal Instagram account, on screen right now, and I want to start putting all my car media on my car media account, which is this account that you see right now, is Lovrien Media. So if you would go and give that a follow, that would be super awesome. That's where I post all the photos that I do for other people, because I also noticed that people really liked the intros to my car reviews, and that's something that I really enjoy filming. I love filming cinematic stuff, so I decided to take that and make edits of people's cars, and they get to keep them, post them, all that stuff, and then of course take photos of their cars too. So again, like I said, I'm gonna take some photos. The next video should be out very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Later.